Hello everyone, this is Courtney again from the MMMediaGroup. Today's video I wanted to discuss a little bit about the purpose or understanding the purpose of your ad server. So that's what I want to talk about today, so we'll jump right into it. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So the couple of points that I want to discuss today are, of course, what an ad server is, as well as what value does it bring to its user. So this shouldn't be too much of a long video today, but I just wanted to touch on those very important points at the high level. So the definition of an ad server really is in the name, right? So it's the platform that allows you to serve ads. And you can have different types of ads, like display banner ads, which is what you would typically see on, like a blog or a news site. And you can have video ads, and you can kind of see those on the same types of sites or others. And depending on what you're serving, you may have a different ad server. There are different ad servers that are specific to video, and ad servers that are specific to display, and ad servers that can handle both. So that's kind of one thing that I kind of want to point out here. Here at the MMMediaGroup, we do have a video serving platform. So in order to monetize your website, procuring an ad server is a crucial step. Now, I have worked with Google's Ad Manager, that's Google's ad serving product, for the bulk of my career. So whenever I use examples or I'm talking about ad servers, I'll kind of use that product as a reference here on out. And you can get Google's free product called Small Business. They do have a paid version, but that's for folks who have lots of volume. And so they have, a paid and a free version, and we generally use the free version wherever possible. Once you get the ad server implemented onto your site, you're now free to monetize the website with advertising. Now, we can discuss more in depth how to get the ad server implemented onto the website. That can come in a later video. But right now, I kind of want to just talk about, excuse me, once you have the ad server implemented, what do you do and how does it work? So many different sites have many different revenue streams, right? Which is great. That's what you want to do. You want to try and have multiple income streams. And that looks like maybe the website has a subscription-based model, or maybe there's e-commerce. But one of the best ways that you can have passive income through your website is to monetize the website through digital advertising. That's display banners and or video on the site. Now, the ad server itself allows you to control the ads on the site. That's its main superpower, if you will. So if you implement the ad server correctly on the site, you begin to build what's called inventory on the site. And that looks like different areas of your website that you can now control where the ads display, right? So now you can begin to say, I want this specific ad on this specific page, or these specific groups of pages, this category, or even this keyword, if you set it up really in depth. And that gives you a lot of power. That gives you a lot of power because now you can start to accept direct deals from agencies or advertisers, and they can say, hey, I want to appear on your homepage specifically, or I want to appear on these group of pages, and then you can begin to accept that type of a deal because you've set up your ad server in such a way that you can now accept the creative, the advertising creative, and then set that creative to display, on the top of the page, on the bottom of the page, on a specific category or group of pages, or what have you. Not only can you do that, but then you can start to say, I only want to serve this amount of ads, or I want to serve this ad to this amount of viewers. You can think about it that way, right? So I want this ad to be seen 1,000 times over the course of the next week, let's say, as an example. And then you can set the end date for the date of, the end of the next week. And then you can say, I want it to appear specifically here. And that's what's called flight dates. And all of that, the ad server will help you to do. All right, so that's the main purpose of the ad server. That's one of the main uses of it. And that's why it is super important if you want to monetize your website for you to, one of the best ways to do so is digital advertising. And to start that, you would really need to get the ad server in place. All right, so we'll talk about more in depth a little later about how to integrate the ad server and other things, but that will do it for this video. All right, guys, take care.